Welcome to the Little Wood House. We've had lots of rain recently and we found a leak, so I sicked the husband on it.
I'm standing out here in my dog kennel, and on really rainy days there's a tendency for water to seep through the concrete and just run across right where he likes to lay. So to help prevent that, I'm going to be laying down a nice garage seal, and we're going to see if that can help redirect some of that water into a different direction. Now to help find out the best way to lay everything out, I got a nice really expensive level that'll shoot a laser to far distance so that I can see exactly where I need it to go. Now to attach this to the floor, I'm going to be using silicone. To use this though, I got to make sure the floor is clean. So I'm going to have to scrub it and then we'll get started. Now I couldn't find my regular scrub brush, but if you take a broom, remove the stick, you can always use the bottom of your broom as a replacement. Good idea. We're now going to roll this out just so we can have a test fit, then put that silicone down, and then put it on top. We actually have a little bit of squeeze out here, but I would prefer that versus water getting stuck underneath. And there is the finished product. Alright, we're giving this time to dry. Let's give it a test. Just gave this a quick test run and it worked perfectly.